We would have been looking for reliability as a cornerstone, as the main element of what we wanted to do, but we wanted a usability that would please our staff as well. Our staff are coming from the digital area, so they have a large understanding of the technologies. So we wanted to ensure that everything that we installed here would have been of a very high standard. And then ultimately, once it's proven in this location, distribute across our whole head office estate. It was a hugely important project to the bank. It was the first time that we have opened a new building of this scale in a significant period of time. The AV solution was always going to be of key importance to the success of this project. We also obviously wanted a world-class, world-leading technologies used within the building. Panasonic were a natural fit to that, obviously. We wanted to be able to broadcast both internal messages and external messages to the staff. So rather than sending the traditional email around to everyone to understand if there's a local event, if there's a barbecue or celebrations going on a floor, that we could actually broadcast that and people could see it as they walk around. We found that since we've introduced new technologies to the building, teams are now tending towards usage of certain technologies such as the media benches. So this allows large teams gather around the media bench and to collaborate together and use the technologies efficiently. This allows us to free up the meeting room spaces for more traditional meetings.
Well, a lot of what they do here is developing new apps, new technology, how the bank's customers interact with the bank. So very technical people, and they work in teams. So all these rooms are basically used to develop new ideas, to collaborate on existing projects, and the technology allows them to do that. So the beauty of the system we set up here is they can annotate directly on the screens.
I found McKeon Group to have an extremely high technical ability and knowledge of all the different technologies that we were implementing, which gave me great comfort in my role as project manager in delivering this project.
We looked at a number of different options and we went with Panasonic in the end because of their 5-year warranty, the build quality, and their new touch technology just fitted in perfectly with what we wanted to do. So we built a demo room for the bank out in Ballsbridge. They tried it, they interacted with the technology, they liked the build quality of the screens, and yeah, it was a no-brainer from that point of view.
We wanted to drive an ability for all our staff to be able to communicate efficiently and effectively with each other. I feel that we've achieved that in Central Park, and we're using this building as our cornerstone in terms of how we implement our AV VC across our whole head office network now.